Have you ever wondered if there's a way to make your products more visible on Amazon so they're in the right place at the right time to be discovered by shoppers? It's possible with the help of Amazon Ads Sponsored Products. In this video, we'll explain how sponsored products work and how to launch your first advertising campaign so that you can help drive sales and help grow your brand. Sponsored products ads may appear on the first page of shopping results and on product detail pages. No matter your company's size, sponsored products are a popular advertising strategy because you can target ads by keywords or products, you can choose how much you're willing to spend, you only pay when your ad is clicked, and you're able to promote your listings to shoppers who are looking for products like yours, which can help drive visibility and potentially sales. As long as you have an active professional seller or vendor account, sell products in one or more eligible categories, and you qualify for the featured offer, you can take advantage of Amazon sponsored products. Let's review 7 steps that can help you launch your first sponsored products campaign. 1. Define your goals. Before you create your first campaign, it's important to know what business goals you want to accomplish. For example, if you're looking to build awareness for a new product, your strategy may be different than if you're looking to promote an established high-selling product. Establishing your goals up front will help you choose which products to advertise, decide how to structure your campaigns, and better analyze performance. Number 2, identify the product you want to advertise. Help create demand for new products or give bestsellers a lift. Just be sure that whichever product you choose is priced competitively and is eligible to win the Amazon featured offer. You'll also need to confirm the product has sufficient inventory, as well as a product detail page that's retail ready. Number 3, create your campaign. You'll start in the advertising console, click Create Campaign, and choose Sponsored Products, where you'll then be able to name your campaign. Keep it straightforward so you can easily find it later. Number 4, set a budget. When you create a new ad campaign, you'll decide how to budget your advertising money. The daily budget is the amount you're willing to spend on a campaign each day. The lifetime budget is the total amount that you're willing to spend on one campaign for as long as it runs. Since sponsored products ads are pay-per-click, you only pay when your ad is clicked. You don't pay to display your ad or for impressions. Number 5, choose a duration. Starting campaigns immediately can help ensure your ads are active at all times, so customers can discover your products at any time they shop on Amazon. To boost your sales year-round, set your campaign with no end date. Number 6, select your targeting. To get started, we recommend automatic targeting. This is where Amazon matches relevant customers to your ad based on keyword and product searches. As you become comfortable with targeting, you can start manually selecting different match types for keywords and choosing categories, products, brands, or features related to your product. Number 7, choose a bid strategy. To improve the chance for your ad to display, we recommend that you start with the suggested bid. Suggested bids are calculated from a group of winning bids for ads that are similar to yours. Using suggested bids can help you stay competitive without overbidding. Once you've completed these 7 steps, you're ready to launch your first sponsored products campaign. Remember, sponsored products ads are flexible. You're able to change your budget, targeting, and bidding strategy at any time to help you keep pace with both your goals and your needs. You can also utilize reporting to check campaign performance along the way. Ready to get started? Visit ads.amazon.com.